Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a quick look on AUD USD for the next day, which is for the 15th. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel or anyone, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because there will be putting out one or two information that you will very much likely need. So make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section. Now, take a look at this AUD USD right now. You can see that AUD USD has, first of all, we can see that this is the move downward. We had this drop. Then this is the pullback right here. This is the drop, and now the movement to the upside has now begun. So in the long run, AUD will definitely push up at least to a level of 0.67. Currently, AUD is trading at 0.65, right? Guys, watch out for it. AUD USD will move to trade at a level of 0.67 or 0.68 within a level of 0.67 600 to a level of 0.68000. So the bullish move has already started on AUD USD. Now let's see this movement. This was, first, this is the resistance level, right? Markets usually reject from this resistance level. We are supposed to come to this support level, but market did not do that. Now AUD USD has literally gone up to this resistance level. Now there's something that a lot of traders will start doing. They will start selling from here. I'm not trying to say you should not sell from here, but it should just be a short-term sell, because if AUD drop like this, it is actually building up liquidity. A lot of traders will start placing that sell. They'll say, okay, market has already come to this resistance level, right? You would want to start selling. You should be able to understand the concept of liquidity properly. So that is why I want you to actually follow us on Telegram so you understand this liquidity properly. A lot of traders will start placing that sell. As it will start placing, the AUD will start dropping little by little. Guess what will happen next? It will push up and take everybody out. Now, to those of you that do trade without using stop loss, I'm sorry to say this, you are going to wipe off your account if you go ahead and sell from this, because AUDS is going to break out of this resistance level and push to the upside. The bias is ready, the bias is here, the bullish move has now started. So if in case you start seeing anything like a pullback here or anything like a drop here, just know it is just a minor pullback. It will not drop to the support level. No, it will not. It is just going to be a minor pullback that it will start building up liquidity, and guess what? Markets will push up and take everybody out. So be very, very careful selling from here. I would rather advise you to wait for the pullback. Then you can go ahead and take your buy on AUD USD. And by the way, reason is that USD is dropping. I mean, DXY is dropping. So if DXY is dropping, then definitely AUD to USD definitely needs to give us that bullish move, right? So another reason why we'll be expecting a bias on AUD USD. Now, do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel.